Hey, can you able to see my screen? Hello. Krishna, can you able to see my screen?
కనిపిస్తుంది బ్రో.
Yeah, okay. Okay, I hope this developer guide text might be like it's better to open in the notepad as I feel something like it's not visible that much in the VS Code. So, we are on the JavaScript. Just like developer guide will be there in the this notepad, and just like we can the VS Code what nothing's like we're practicing that is with this same only. And in the last class, like we have seen string methods, something like so many like we have seen it's small. I mean like two uppercase, two lowercase, concatenated things, substring, replace alpha just like follows like G, just like different things you guys seen, right? Any doubts in the last class? I mean like okay, hope there is no doubt. Hope all are practicing and every concept is going clear. If it's not, you guys should be telling something like, or else I will think like you guys are clear. I think like you guys are clear. So be clarity on what we are just like studying or something, what we are practicing it. Next, we'll see about next we'll be seeing about extracting string characters. Actually, there are three methods are available. Something like caret our position to just like to get an particular character based on the our index, and next char coded it means something like which are the position and what is the character code for that, just like we can get based on that one. Next, property access with the help of array, and first one JavaScript string caret, the char at method returns the character at specified index position in a string, in a particular string. I will be writing the example in the same like this one, like whichever I'm writing over here, to just like find. I'm going to write something like some document thing to just like display the values. Let text equal to welcome to JavaScript. Generate. And now document.getId by id, the character dot inner HTML, and the text dot character 0. Like what are the character like is available in the first one? You printed that is W. We see like W got printed over there. Like what are the first characters available? Suppose like if it's an 40th character, so it's an U here children. That is the just like whichever position like you passed it and a character one, like it will be getting an based on a particular string index, it will be getting the thing. And next is something like the calculated method returns Unicode of character until specified index string. The method returns empty of 16 code. An integer is between that values is between 0 and 6,000 65,535. It will be that quotes will be between that and this. And for example, for the W, let's see. And that is an text dot care code 0 max. Now, for the W Unicode is something like it's an 87. It's an 87. Depends on each character, like it will be taking based on that. And one more way of just like accessing the properties, I mentioned you guys already with the help of array braces. Next, property access. ECMAScript file allows property access with the array and strings. If you want to access any property from ES5, this feature came into the picture with the help of array braces. You can find the which index particular character is available. Let's see something like in the console.log text of 0. The console like W got printed. It means you can either access based on the caret as well as text of 0. It means like array of 0 also. If it's not finding, like it will be giving an error. But accessing is fine, but assigning it doesn't allow it, something like. See, I have assigned before this value, I mean before this line only, but it's not getting updated because that updating with the help of that property, it will not allow it. If you want to allow it, you can convert it into the array and okay, just like do it the things. With the split operator, you can easily convert into the array and you can easily do it. Split of empty space, there is no operator, I mean like there is no specific to do it's like to do the with the space, I mean like with the empty space, like we can check the things. So just like to check the what and all are available, it means something like we can just like get the clarity on that one, like it is the it will be converted into array. Let's see, like I will be printing in the this console list of 0 and list 1. You will see two characters is printed same value and array to the, I mean a string to the array. This is the way of converting it. This is the way of converting it. And next is something like we have converted it to the split method and we need to write about the split method. Converting from string to array based on operation parameter. What are the parameter like we'll be passing it, based on that like it will be try to convert it. Here I have passed as a empty string, it means like each character it will be as a one item in the array, that is with the help of thing. For just like commas, like you can use instead of something like empty space, okay, I mean like you can give the space or like 7 8 words, something like welcome to JavaScript classes from like that. If it's a something like comma, semicolon or something, like you can pass it easily to just like do the things. And this is the way of doing it with the string methods. And next is something like string searching. String. In that, it contains so many things, something like string with the index of operator, index of method, search method, match method, return method, includes method. Next is something like starts with and ends with. Suppose in the string, like if you want to search based on some keyword or some character or something, you can just easily check based on this and all methods. If it's an indexer method, it will try to find our first occurrence of the string in a string. It will try to find the, it will be getting a position of it, like which the index, like whichever we're trying to find it, like it's getting an index or not. It returns the index of position of, means the first occurrence. That means so the first occurrence of the string, like it will be getting it. Like let's see in this one, like in the string. Let me try with the JavaScript. Text dot index of, and we need to pass the value in the string, so that now we'll be getting the index of it. This JavaScript string, like it is there in the 11th index. It means something like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means something like in the 11th index that word is getting started, so that that index number, it is getting occurred. So if I pass the custom value, if it's not getting final, it is then minus 1. If it's not finding, it will be giving as minus 1. It is like found, or minus 1 is like not found. Next, returns the index of last occurrence. Really? String. It makes something like, it's the last index of it means just like it will returns the index of the last occurrence index specified index from array. You see now, I'm putting in two form. Let me try to find. See, with the last something we try to find it. That is a 35 one. This is the 35 one. If we start from here 1, 0, 1 to 3, it's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's a 36. There is a 30, 35. Which are the character, like it will be try to find something, like which are the word we are trying to find it. Like if you see this from, is there two times, but second one is got printed because that is trying to find from last index of, last index of That is the way of checking an index of thing. When the text is not getting filled with that, and in the index of and like start index of like we having something like one parameter called second one, that is from which position it should be getting started. Second parameter, if you want to start after particular index, that time like we're going to use an index of with the second parameter, that is with that, and last index of also that is the second parameter to start from where to search it. To start from where it should be getting searched, like from where it should be getting started, the search functionality from where it should get start. These are all the things like which is happening. Next thing, string search. The search method searches a particular string. Like I can say something like the search method it will search as a particular string for a string, a regular expression, and returns the position of the matches. Like wherever like it will be trying to find it. Like it will be however our index or something like thing it will be giving the same thing and such that will be same thing. Such method cannot take second parameter of the short position, but and like index of method cannot take forward such something like regular expressions, but such is possible. But it supports this math method returns is match also something like it will be returns a particular array containing the result of matching string against a string, just like with the regular expression. And let me go with the just like one by one method so that to get the more clarity on which string we are trying to do it. me something either with the JavaScript queue. For example, right now something like the JavaScript queue. Let's see like what it will be rated. Like, it's rated at index. It's a -1, but it does not support like special characters. This is second parameter. It supports the regular expression as well, but it will grow the same benefit. I mean the same result. Yes, for now, like I'm building an alpha this functionality anywhere like you guys can apply. You can show in the DOM element or just like you want to modify the logic, but you guys should understand the concept. Which I am telling, like you guys should understand the concept. In some instances, I mean like where it's got printed, that is just like it will be written in array format, that is with the help of match thing. That is with the help of match thing. If the match something like if you want to check something like with regular expression with our just like case insensitive, it's getting capital WELC. Like if the case insensitive also like you can pass a small WL, but it's trying to find what we are looking for. G means something like it's a global search, E means something like it's an insensitive, case insensitive. It's giving as empty. And these are all things like we are having the ways. Includes mean just like it will be checking the strings or arrays or something. It doesn't support our regular expression, but it will be returning a boolean thing like if it's finding, it will be returning a boolean thing either true or false, and it's a true. That is with the alpha includes. Next with the same thing, it like starts with if it's starting with the same letter, same word, it will be giving us true or something it will be false. And second parameter from where like it can be started. Listen to checking and ends with something like this is the both the things something like it should be same. Is that true? If you pass something else, something like engage, it's false. That's the way of something like starts with or ends with. I'm like ends it will be starting from I'm like from last, but start with just supporting from start. That is with the help of our strings and whereas template literals. And in the JavaScript template literal something like it contains literals, template strings, and string templates. And next is something like it's an backtick strings. What are the value like you guys will try to set template literals and this thing use our backticks, something like this one. And then using the codes. Next, codes inside the strings. It means already we have seen in the second or third class. It means something like, for example, text equal to. I mean, like with tablet errors that like can they can write. If this is a string only, or they can write it to single positions, or double quotes, or like whatever, like change anything like whatever text like if you want to write it, you can write it double quotes or something like that. It will be accepted. And multi-line strings with the that backtick only like it is supportable. And interpolation with a string no that one like if you want to bind dynamic value, like this one. This is symbol to just like bind the data. See here I'm going to bind an text one like whichever we are having it. It is the way of binding dynamic data also with the backticks. Dollar JSON symbol that is an JavaScript expression or just like string interpolation. You can easily consider it. It's an expression just like string interpolation text. Inside our backticks, like we can write it like this. Then inside the ticks, like we can write it. And if you want to do the any calculation or replace something, then inside the dollar, just in that expression, like we can easily write our things. We can easily write our things. And next thing, the JavaScript numbers, those operations, almost all the things he calculates something like we are seeing it. And tomorrow, after some parts of the numbers and some numbers methods, we can go to the arrays. Any doubts in the today's class? Next tomorrow class will be the numbers. If there is no doubt, we can wind up the class. Thank you so much, all for joining. We'll meet you tomorrow. Have a great day.